G'day everyone. Today we're starting off on the complete refurbishment of this 1971 air conditioning heater box, July 71 for the XY. So what we're going to do is we are going to completely refurbish the whole thing. New switches, a whole lot. New back vents, rear back vents. We're going to paint it. We're going to replace the large fan with a new fan, which is in here. Okay, all still works, but if I'm going to go to all this trouble, we're going to refurbish it right. So that's for the air conditioning. Integrated aircon for the XY, which is right here. Can't wait to get her on the road. Here she is. 1971 XY. Let me hold this up here and I'll open her up. So you can see inside there is absolutely nothing inside. Just Dynamat and everything's been put in. Factory wind back. So we've got 6 factory options. The driver's mirror, the rear defogger, which is right here. So if we have a look at this, it should be right here, the switch, there it is. So that says a defogger on it. So that sits just under here in that hole there. So it'd be the light switch, the headlight switch, spotties, ignition, and the defogger. So that'll all get mounted back in. So we've got the remote mirror, the defogger, which sits in the back parcel tray. We've got the wind back, the 8-track player, power steering, and integrated aircon with the vents in the kick panel and to the right side of the glove box. So we are looking forward to getting the old girl on the road, and once we do that, we can enjoy all the cruises. So just refurbishing everything. Got some pulleys here as well for the air conditioning, and we'll start by pulling the whole box apart. Everything, every little piece, so we can solder blast it, paint it, refurbish the whole thing. So stay tuned on Backyard Garages this week on Backyard Garages Volume 1, Episode 1, the 1971 XY integrated aircon heater box, air conditioning box, whatever you want to call it, you know what it is.